Are you over 50, curious about learning something new, and a little skeptical about all this AI stuff? I want to clear something up right away. You do not need to pay for ChatGPT to get something valuable out of it. The free version is more than enough to help you learn, grow, and even get creative. You just need to know how to ask. Come on, let me show you.
Be sure to stick around until the end of this video. I've included a few prompts that you can try out today. You might have heard about something called study mode. It's a fancy feature some people use in the paid version of ChatGPT. It walks you through a topic like a private tutor. And it's great. But guess what? You can get the same kind of support in the free version just by changing how you talk to it. Here's a prompt that I have used in the past. Hi ChatGPT, I'm interested in learning how to bake sourdough bread, but I don't know where to start. Please break it down into small, simple lessons, one at a time. Wait for me to type next before you go on. I've used this method to learn how to make videos, understand tech I've never touched before, and honestly, just feel a little more in control of my curiosity. Because here's the truth, learning doesn't stop when we hit 50, and we don't need a college course or a subscription to get started. We just need someone or something that's patient and flexible. That's what ChatGPT can be, even the free version. So if you've been thinking, this sounds interesting, but I don't want to spend money yet. Good, you don't have to. Try that prompt I gave you, and let it walk you through something you've always wanted to learn. And hey, if this helped, hit that subscribe button. I make videos for folks just like us, learning tech and figuring it out as we go. You're not too old. You're not too late. You just need a place to start.